Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2019 Kawasaki W800 Cafe. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2019 Kawasaki W800 Cafe with 5,140 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS and has been upgraded with a luggage rack and engine guards. Powered by a 773cc two-cylinder engine, the W800 puts 47 horsepower and 46 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. With a 4-gallon fuel capacity, the W800 has a 180 to 200-mile range. It has a 491-pound wet weight and a 31.1-inch seat height. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 5/30 seconds, and the rear at 7/30 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike, so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. We found no blemishes above normal wear for a vehicle of this year, mileage, and type. This bike has a toolkit and 2 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our premium program. It received an inspection, service, repairs, detail, and comes with a comprehensive warranty for the first 30 days or 1,000 miles and continued powertrain warranty for a total of 90 days or 3,000 miles. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or KAWASAKI, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.